Shoot that hippie! Her personality irks the hell out of me.
Let the darkness spread.
Now it's mine.
Oh, man.
Let the darkness spread.
Kill that trippy bitch! Oh, man. Be careful, Juliet. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, this bitch is stinky. Be careful, Juliet. Watch out! Watch out!
Ambition, courage, pride, prayer, freedom, nourishment, despair, chaos. One truth become two truths become see the truth before your eyes. The gates to the abyss shall open.
Can I go home now?
Please don't laugh.
Oh my god.
Now it's mine. What's this?
Her personality irks the hell out of me.
A trillion butterflies dance, engulfing the world in their fluttering wings, eating away at our souls.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron!
Heavy. He's out. Way out. They speak to reggae from the barrio Coepto.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me.
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Fortune Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Mr. Starling?
Okay, then.
Sweet.
Cool. Welcome. Does it look okay with my eyes?
Holy shit.
Go team, go! Juliet, it's Rosalind! Here's your first birthday present. You are way less lame than Cordelia. You can tell her, too. Juliet! It's Rosalind! Guess what? There was a mosquito on my arm and it looked like my friend Brian, and I hated it and I smashed it! Hilarious! I'm worried about Rosalind.
Hell, that girl knows trouble like apple knows pie.
Excuse me.
Boy, you be careful now about where you're touching my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We gotta be careful with this Rosalind situation so she don't get hurt.
So, I guess the two of you haven't been formally introduced. Dad, this is...
Nick, I know. You told me all about it. Failed to mention the, disability.
It's kind of a new thing, sir.
You seem like a fine person. But whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea if my tongue is limber.
We're here. What the hell kind of place is this?
It's the Fulci Fun Center, Dad, where all the kids from San Romero hang out after school. Look at this. I'll head into the building at the entrance, all right? Daddy, you go around and sneak in from the back. I'll act as a decoy, drawing all the zombies' attention towards me, while you go up to the roof where Rosalind should be.
Juliet, you just made yourself a decoy.
Dad, what's wrong?
My little girl is a tactical genius. Your mom and me got a little something for your special day. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, Daddy.
All right, I'm off.
Good luck, sir. You're gonna do awesome, I'm sure of it.
Stop sucking up, son.
And don't think I forgot that tongue stuff, neither. You best watch what you do with my little girl when you're hiding in the shadows.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I think he really liked you. All right. Oh, I'm so touched. My mom and dad knew exactly what I wanted.
Nick, shoot!
I can't wait to thank them in person.
I want to play games 24/7. Hit the button faster.
I need to level up.
Look at the zombie geek zombieing out killing zombies in video games.
If we kill them, it'll be totally meta.
Let's play a game together.
New game's out today.
We better help this dude before his game is over.
Oh, I'll go already mature on their asses.
Metal up your ass.
Hello, item.